Alright, so for question 2, we're going to find the slope, x-intercept, and the y-intercept. So first of all, we have this general form, 3x plus y plus 12 equal to 0. So first of all, we need to change it to y equal to mx plus c. So we make y be the subject, then we can keep the y here. And then as the 3x is on the left-hand side, move it to the right, it becomes negative. Together with the 12 is positive, move it to the right, it becomes negative. So now I have y is equal to negative 3x minus 12. So that as we have, we can write it as y equal to mx plus c, isn't it? So now we can say that the m is equal to negative 3, and then we have the y-intercept is equal to negative 12. And if you want to find out the x-intercept, which means that for the x-intercept, you need to substitute the y equal to 0. So just change the general form's equations, the y, to become 0. So now I have 3x plus 0 plus 12 equal to 0. I just replace the y by 0. Then now I have this 3x equal to negative 12. Because originally it's positive 12, moving to the right becomes negative. Then I don't want this 3, so move it to the right becomes divide. Now I have x is equal to negative 12 divided by 3, giving you that the x-intercept is going to be equal to negative 4. So that's for question 2. Then for question 4, we have this 2x equal to 5y, and also we change it to becomes y to the mx plus c format. So I have 2x divided by 5 equal to y. So I don't want this 5, move it to the left, becomes divide. And then now I can swap the left and right directly. So I have y equal to 2 over 5x plus 0. Because originally it's just 2x over 5, isn't it? There's nothing there, nothing on the right hand side, so I'm just adding a plus 0. So it's actually the format of y equal to mx plus c. So now we can say that. So the m is equal to 2 over 5. M is the number in front of the x. You see, m is the number in front of the x. So that's the m here is going to be 2 over 5. And similarly, we have the c, which is the y-intercept, is equal to 0. And similarly for the x-intercept, we substitute y equal to 0. Then I have substitute into this equation. So I have 2x equal to 5 times 0. So that x is equal to 5 times 0 is going to giving you 0. So 0 divided by 2 giving you 0 as well. So that the x-intercept is going to be 0. So moving to the question 6. So for question 6, I have y plus 4 divided by x minus 2 equal to 3. So in this question, we can change it to y to mx plus c again. So this is a fraction. I don't want this divide, so this divide x minus 2 moving to the right becomes times. So now I have y plus 4 equal to 3 times x minus 2. So remember there's a bracket here to emphasize using the 3 times the whole x minus 2. Then I can expand the bracket. So now I have y plus 4 equal to 3x minus 6. So now we can say that the y is equal to 3x minus 6 minus the 6. There's a plus 4 moving to the right, becomes minus 4. So 3x minus 10. So again, this is the format of y equal to mx plus c. So that the m will be equal to, the m is only equal to 3, and then the c is equal to negative 10. So for the x-intercept, what we want is to substitute y equal to 0 to the original formula, or to whatever formula. This formula is okay as well, because they're the same formula. So now we have 0 equal to 3x minus 10, so that 10 is equal to 3x. Then we have x is equal to 10 over 3.